It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Feel-good breakfast show. This is Espresso only on SABC3. Thank you so much for tuning in on this Monday morning as we get your week started. For the first time this morning, we're stepping into our Espresso kitchen with the lovely Alet van der Westhuizen, and she is promising us a flavorful dish of note. It is a quick weekday meal idea. Alet, lekker om jou te sien.
Baie lekker om jou te sien.
Yeah, so we're talking Asian pork mince and fried egg.
Correct.
Right?
What a combination.
What a combination.
Yeah.
And like I said earlier, when we talk about Asian dishes, we talk flavorful.
Yeah, loads of flavor, loads of flavor. This is a dish I actually was taught in Thailand.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so I brought my little recipe back across the waters.
Love it.
It's called pad kapow.
Pad kapow.
Yes,
it's got a bit of a kick.
Not kapow. But you can say kapow.
There's a pow in there, as well, doesn't matter.
A bit of a kick, yeah.
Okay, so waar begin ons? Wat het ons nodig?
So wat ons nodig het is varkmince of maalvleis.
Varkmaalvleis.
Varkmaalvleis wat natuurlijk ongelooflijk gierig is, reg?
Yes.
En saam met die varkmaalvleis ons sommer dadelik begin Johan. Sit hom op 'n lekker warm plaat, klein bietjie olyfolie en dan natuurlik vir die Thai geur 'n bietjie sesamiolie.
Hier gaan ons nou, okay?
Okay.
So 'n bietjie sesamiolie.
En dan het ons omtrent so 300-400 gram varkmaalvleis wat ons gaan insit in ons warm olie.
Jeez, you can already smell that sesame oil, eh? It's such a unique smell, and that's where a lot of the flavor comes from as well.
Ja, net so. En dan saam met dit gaan ons ingooi 'n halwe rooi ei.
Okay.
En dan natuurlik ons aromatics of ons geurbasis. So dit is gemmer, knoffel en rooi chili.
Ja.
Maar hy's baie sterk, so ons het net 'n klein bietjie.
Ek sien dis redelik min daai.
Dis baie min. Dis 'n bird's eye chili, so hy het ongelooflike skop.
Okay.
So wees versigtig vir hom. En dan gaan ons hierdie nou lekker net, soos die Engelsman sal sê, stir fry wil ek amper sê tot alles mooi geïnkorporeer is. Nou hierdie is 'n baie warm pan wat ons vandag het, maar dis reg. Hou hom op so medium hitte en dan gaan jy hierdie amper net so half stowe tot jou maalvleis 'n mooi kleur het en tot jou eie sag raak. Jy wil nie hê jy moet jou eie voor die tyd crispy braai nie, want dan verloor jy die geur van hom. Jy soek hom dat hy lekker soet is in jou dis.
Alright, but you still want that little bit of a texture.
You do want a bit of texture.
Oh, lovely.
Ruik jy dit? Dis heerlik.
It smells so delicious. I wish we had smell-o-vision right now because it smells incredible. So if you would like to try your hand at this recipe as a quick meal to try during the week, it's Asian pork mince and a fried egg this morning. All you need to do is SMS the keyword pork to 33728. That's pork to 33728. We'll send you everything you need to know. So keep in mind those SMSs cost R1.50. All right, some greenery as well.
Ja, ons het 'n klein bietjie korianderblare ingesit en 'n klein bietjie bruinsuiker. Lekker vanuit daai dik karamelbruinsuiker. Dit maak 'n ongelooflike geur. Dit maak hom amper asof hy 'n klein bietjie van 'n stroopie ook kry dan, reg? En dan natuurlik sojasous vir die kleur en die geur. En net vinnig Johan wat jy kan doen as jy nie vark eet nie, dan kan jy dit doen met beesmaalvleis, jy kan dit met hoendermaalvleis doen. Jy kan 'n kombinasie doen van bees en lam, jy kan 'n kombinasie doen van bees en vark. So dis regtig waar 'n dis wat jy baie mee kan doen.
And it's something different as well. I think a lot of people, when it comes to making mince, there's only like a set way to do it. You know, you put in some carrots in there and put some stock and some salts and whatnot. So this is something different. I like it.
And then what we do is we add a bit of spring onion towards the end because once again we want a bit of texture and color in this.
And I know in Thai cuisine, spring onions, it's huge.
Yes, spring onions is pretty much everywhere. And just remember with pork mince, it really does cook super fast.
Okay.
You don't need to cook this for longer than 10-15 minutes. And also, if you cook it too long, some of these beautiful flavors will go to waste because it will just evaporate. So you don't want to make it and eat it immediately.
I see.
We'll just do a little bit of
pinch of salt. Remember that keyword once again, pork to 33728 for a beautiful pork mince dish this morning. Alternatively, you can log on to our Facebook page, Espresso Morning Show SABC3, or our website, espressoshow.com. All right.
Okay, so wonderful. Okay, so wat ons daarmee saam gaan doen vandag is sushi rys. Nou, meeste mense skrik verskriklik as hulle moet rys kook, want dit is nie altyd die maklikste ding nie. Maar sushi rys is regtig maklik as jy net die pakkie lees. Paar stappies, read the steps. En as dit regtig maklik is, dit is gaar gestoom, so dis fluffy en sticky, wat wonderlik is.
Dis wat ons
wil hê, ja. 'n bietjie sushi rys en dan wat die Thai mense doen is hulle sit amper op elke dis 'n eier.
Ek weet nie hoekom nie, maar dit werk.
Dit werk. En jy moet hom sunny side up bedien, want dan as jy hom mooi sny, dan kom die geel boor, dit maak amper deel van die sous.
Presies.
Wat regtig lekker is.
Ek sê jy wat, skep vir ons so lank op while we dish up our beautiful dish this morning. If you want to have one last look at how we made it, here's your chance.
Sauté onion. ginger, chili and garlic. Add pork mince, sesame oil, sugar and soy sauce and fry until golden. Season with salt and pepper. Fry eggs. Serve pork on sticky rice, topped with the egg. Garnish with coriander and drizzle with soy sauce. For the full recipe, visit the Espresso Morning Show Facebook page or log on to www.expressoshow.com. SMS the keyword pork to 33728 to receive the shopping list on your phone. Click on the link provided to view the recipe on our Mobi site. SMSs cost R1.50. No free
There we go.
SMSs.
And
T's
the
and
smells
C's apply.
just keeps getting better. All right, that's perfect. Very, very easy, quick weekday meal idea. And the fried egg goes on top. Yes, like it. Kyk nou net daar. En ons round them off. Kom ons bij om net also. I really wish that you guys can smell this because as the flavors just keep developing. And another drizzle of some
Net so 'n bietjie
soya sauce.
En natuurlik.
Does that not look delicious? Alet, baie dankie.
Dis 'n groot plesier.
Vir die ontbyt.
Ja, natuurlik. Wonderlik ontbyt. Dis wat hulle eet in Thailand vir ontbyt.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, that is it. That's a beautiful breakfast dish as well. So you can have a breakfast, you can have a dinner, whatever you choose. It is delicious. That keyword once again, pork to 33728. But stick around. Lots more interesting recipes coming your way here on your Feel Good Breakfast Show. Right now, though, we go over to the Sunlight 30,000 plate campaign, and we catch up with the guys in Eldorado Park in Johannesburg to see how things are going and also if there's any dishwashing liquid left.